Hi everyone, I'm going to do a video. It's going to be more of an update on the video I made a while ago, which was Kodi from scratch. So basically I'm going to show you how to build your own build pretty much. What I'll do is I'll show you the one I've got at the moment and how I made it. So this is the build that I made. We'll just let it load up 2 seconds. So you can see here, as soon as it loads up, you've got like movies, TV shows, live TV, TV catch-up, UK TV play, you've got live football, you've got the cartoon for the kids, YouTube and all that kind of stuff. I'll quickly show how it works. So in the movies, if you press up, you can scroll across all the movies here, and you can actually click on it. And what it's going to do is it's going to pull the sources from Stream All Sources. And I've also turned on the autoplay feature. I'll show you how to do that as well in this video. So there's the video, 1080p. Okay, so again, TV shows. These are trending TV shows that I've set it up with. Oops. So you can see here all the trending TV shows. The live TV, it's the new iView 2. So if you go to BBC One, so there.
Son behind him. He played the percentages and forced the corner. Yeah, can't.
So in your TV catch-up, it's basically like BBC iPlayer, ITV Player. The Titan build that I'm using, there is a cool new feature, which I've added here. So you can see you've got all the kind of popular shows, BBC iPlayer. If you do go up the top and highlight the iPlayer bit up here, and if you click on it, it'll change the ITV player. So you just have to have one tab for both apps there, which is pretty good. You've got the UK TV play, which is Dave, Really, Yesterday, and Drama. So these two are like your catch-up apps rolled into 2 tabs at the bottom there. You've got your live football, so you can scroll across all the games here. You've got live games here through Phoenix and NJM Soccer. And for the kids ones, you've got like some cartoons here. You've got family stuff. You've got kids animation. You've got kids HD. I'll show you one for example. And there you go, loads pretty instantly. Okay, and then you've got your YouTube app, which is most popular kind of YouTube stuff at the moment. So what I'll do is I will completely remove my add-on now from Kodi, and I'll show you how to set it up. So what we'll do first is we'll download Kodi from scratch. So Kodi download. And then we'll just go to Downloads Kodi. When you're in here, you just go to Windows Installer, and we'll click Start Download. As you can see, it's not taking very long. Then we'll just open that. And yes, next, and I agree. Next, next. Install. So this might take a minute or 2. So what I'll do is I'll just pause the video and come back when that's finished installing. So that's finished. Just want to tick Run Kodi and click Finish, and it should load it up for you there. It's actually popped up in the background. There we go. So yeah, we'll just press disable for now. So this is the Kodi you'll probably see when you first install it. So first thing we want to do is we want to get the skin. So if you go across to settings and press down and go to settings, and when you're in settings you go to appearance, when you're in appearance, go to skin. So when you get more skin, so click on get more. When you're in here, what I want you to do is just press the up arrow, go to the bottom, and it's the Titan skin we want. So just let the Titan skin download and install. It's doing it fairly quickly there. You can customize the skin fairly easily. I'll show you pretty much the basics of it, and then you can do what you want with it. So it's just installing it now. And there you go, there's the skin. So we'll click yes, I want to keep this skin. And there we go. So if we just press escape and come out of that. This works on PC and Android boxes, I've tried it on both. So and we'll set the YouTube feature up as well. So it's the yes, I want to download that. Yes, we'll execute it and we'll choose the language and region. So we want to look for English, UK, and we want United Kingdom. Obviously, depending where you are in the world, just choose whatever you want. So for this bit, what I want you to do is just scroll to the right hand side and go to settings. When you're in settings, we need to go to file manager. So what I've actually done is I have created a kind of add-ons list that I've used to make the skin. So what we'll do first is we will get the Fusion add-on repository. So I'll just copy that, go to add source, and then just literally paste it in. Okay, and that one's called Fusion. I will put these in the description list if you want them as well, but there's the link if you need to write it down quickly. Like I said, just have a look at the descriptions and they'll all be in there for you. Okay, so just press OK there, and that's the first one done. So go back to add source and we'll go to the next one. Paste that one in. Yeah, we'll just call that that's fine. Put a dot in front of it actually. Okay, again just check the descriptions if you want these sources. So do the Robocop for the football. Just call it Robocop. And then the NJN soccer. Just call this one NJN. Okay. So that's all the ones that we want at the moment. So if you go back to the main menu, just press escape to come out of everything. Then we want to go to settings. When we're in settings, we need to go add-ons and install zip file. Okay, so install zip file, and then we need to go to Fusion and XBMC repos. Go to English, and then when we're in here, we need two. We need the XMBC hub. Just click that one. And if we do the exact same thing, go back to Fusion, XMBC repos, English, and this one we want the S there, that one, okay? Just press that. That one's mainly for the kids stuff that I'm adding now. So, we're finished with Fusion. If you want to go to the next one, go to the top there, and then we want to go to the Unity Talk repository. So I'll show you that one again. Xfinity, and all the way down at the bottom is the Unity Talk repository. Okay, so next one is the NJM soccer, sorry. So this is for the football. So just let that one go. And the final one is the Robocop one. This is again for the football. So just go for the zip file again. This one might take a little bit longer. So just wait for it to pop up in the top left hand corner there. There we go. So there you go, it's been enabled. So I just make you aware as well. There are a few zip files that I'm going to use. So I just go straight to my desktop and then go to in here. I've got a few things here. I'll show you what they're all about. But we're going to install them as well. You got the guide and stuff like that. So I'll install from the zip file again. And this time we are going to go to removable disk. I'll show you why it's important to use a USB later on as well. So we'll just install these ones. Again, removable disks. I'll put links to all these downloads as well, okay? Just pretty much install all of them here. Okay, fantastic. So once I've got all them, so from this one, what we do need, if you go to the XUnity Talk repository, go down to the video add-ons, and then what I want you to do is, don't use that BBC iPlayer, there's a new one out at the moment, but we do need the iTV player from in here. So if you scroll down to iTV and click install. If you don't want the catch-up TV, just skip this step. If you just want the movies and stuff, I'll show you how to do that in a bit. Okay, so just press the back arrow, go back as well, and again. So we want that one, the iView 2 TV repo. So we'll go to Program Add-ons, iView TV Guide, install. And was there anything in this one again? Yes. So this one is the NJM soccer, so the football. So if you got that one, video add-ons again, and then go down to NJM soccer, install. So that's all installed in the background. And this one, if we go to video add-ons, just trying to remember what was in here again. There's a reason why I've got it here, but I can't remember. Oh, it was the film on TV. So you've got like your free view to go with the TV guide. That's all that I'm going to show you in the TV guide. I will put some videos up probably at a later date showing you how to get some more TV channels, but at the moment we're just going to use the free view stuff if you're in the UK there, okay? So go to that. And Operation Robocop next. So again, this is for the footballer. Install. Go back, go back. So this one is for all the kids' TV shows. So in here we'll probably use potentially funnier moments, super cartoons as well. I didn't actually integrate them in, but I'll show you what they do, and you can add them in if you like. So we'll go to this one. In this one we want the stream all sources. This is where all your movies and TV shows are going to come from, okay? So stream all sources, install. And then the TV add-ons, in here we need nearly there. Phoenix. Phoenix is a great add-on. It's got the football, it's got loads of TV, kids TV stuff as well, and movies. So that's all we really need from there. We do need one more thing. If we just go to all repositories at the top and then go to video add-ons, we want the BBC iPlayer one, which is under I believe it's WWI player. There we go. iPlayer WWW. So if you go to that one and install that one. Okay. So we've got all the add-ons now. If you just want to come out of them, you could, if you want, you can go to browse add-ons and view video add-ons, and there's all the add-ons like I said before. Okay. So all the add-ons that we're going to use in making this build. You can add your own, sorry. You can customize this however you want it, but I'm going to show you the one I had it set up originally. So if you just want to go to settings now, and then we want to go to skin settings this time. So home screen layout. The one I like the most is the enhanced all-in-one home screen. There is a lot more on here. There's like a Netflix style one, there's Windows 10 one, there's loads. But like I said, the one I like the most is the enhanced all-in-one home home screen. So once you change that, I'm just going to come out of there. Yeah, you can see it's starting to look like it almost did when I first started the video. But now we need to add on all the add-ons. So what I want you to do is go to settings now, and then go to skin settings. So back to the screen that we're at before. In here, if you go to configure shortcuts, and then go to edit menu shortcuts. Okay, so first thing, we'll listen to what it says. We'll stick with movies. So actually, I'll tell you what, we're going to come out of that, and I'm going to show you something first. We need to set something up in Stream All Sources. So I'll show you how to set this up, because a few people have some issues with this. So if you go to Stream All Sources, and it does ask you if you want to set up this account. I do advise that you do. It makes it a lot easier. So if you have a look here, this link here, so 2 seconds there. So if you just put that link in the top, it will ask you to sign up. I just linked it with my I think my email or my Facebook account. I can't remember which one it was. But once you've got that, if you just go back into this and go and paste it in, there we go, and press OK, and then authorize, and there you go. It's been linked with the account now, so that's great. A few things we need to change in here. If you go to settings, and then if you go to add-on settings, the main thing we really need to do is this bit here, source management. You need to turn on the autoplay sources, and that is pretty much basically all you do with that bit. But if you go to auto configure salts as well, and then press continue, there you go, it's all auto configured now. So for example, if you go to movies, shouldn't be too much longer that. So there you go, and we'll go to popular movies. They just get an error pop up there, but we'll see what happens this time. If you do get any error, we have just added a lot of apps, so what's probably best to do is just to close down Kodi and reload again and try it again. So what I'll do is I'm just going to quickly do that. So I'll just quickly pause the video while I do that. So I've just restarted my Kodi there. If you want to know how to do it, how to just get out of this Kodi, just press the down arrow. You got settings, quit, shut down, reboot. You just want to go quit there, that'll quit out Kodi for you. So I just restarted there, so we'll go back to add-on browser and then video add-ons. When we're in here, go to Stream All Sources, movies, trending movies we'll go for, and there you go. There's all the movies now. So just to show you that it is set up properly, if we just go to Spectre there. There you go, it's playing fun. So we'll come out of that and I'll show you how to set all that up now on the main screen. So if you go to skin settings and then go to configure shortcuts, edit menu shortcuts, and now we want to go to change shortcut. Click on change shortcut and then go down to add-on. Then from add-on you go to video add-on, and then from video add-on we need to go to the Stream All Sources. When you're in here, go to movies, and then create a shortcut to here. Fantastic. So that's already called movies, so we don't have to change too much. What I'll do is change the thumbnail to movies, and then we need to change the widgets to, we'll get rid of the other ones in here. So the second one there, if you just want to go to none, it'll take that away. And then for the first one, what we need to do is if you go down again to video add-ons, Stream All Sources, movies, trending movies, and then use as widget. So basically what that does is, we'll show you, we'll go back, exit out with this. So what that widget does is it brings it all up here for you, okay? So I'll go back and show you that one again, okay? The reason why there's no movies in the middle at the moment, I'll show you how to fix that. So if you go back to movies and go to skin settings, configure shortcuts, and then if you go to movies, and then the issue is the sub menus in there. Oh, there's not actually, so 2 seconds. So I don't know why that hasn't actually worked. I'm just going to go back to widgets and change it again. Stream all sources, movies, trending movies, users widget. See what happens this time. Oh, there you go. It's starting to pop up now. So there, yeah. Okay, we'll do it for the rest as well. So if we just go back to skin settings, 2 seconds. I just want to quickly reset my Kodi as well. Yeah, so I know why it's not showing up in the main bit here. I've just figured it out, sorry about that. So what you need to do if this ever happens to you is go back to the skin settings, then go to edit, and then if you go down to the widgets, there is actually a spotlight widget here, so you just have to remove that. So go back to the main screen, and now it should be all fixed. There you go. So that's what we want. So if you press the up arrow, you've got all the movies you can scroll across. It tells you a little bit about the movies as well here. So that's the movies all sorted. So go to skin settings, configure shortcuts, edit, then we'll go down to TV shows. So pretty much the same as the movies. So you want to go to change shortcut first, go down to add-ons, video add-on, go up to stream all sources. When you're in here, go to TV shows, and again you want to go for the trending TV shows, and then create a shortcut here. So we'll just edit that one as well. Edit label. We just want to call this one TV shows, so backspace. Okay, TV shows. Then set a thumbnail. If we go up, there's a TV series one, and then the widgets. Select the widget. Go down to add-on, video add-on, stream all sources, TV shows, and then the trending TV shows. Users widget. Select widget, none. Spotlight, none. What I'll do actually, sorry, I'm just going to go change shortcut one last time, because we do actually want to make it so it's just on TV shows, not actually trending on that one. So shortcut should just be on TV shows, and the widget should actually be on the trending TV shows. If you put it on the trending TV shows, it will update automatically. Okay, I didn't actually save the thumbnail, so I'll go back and do that. As you can see, there's some sub menus on the left hand side there, so we just need to take them out. I'll show you how to do that right now. So skin settings, edit shortcuts, TV shows, select thumbnail, TV series. There you go. You can see on the right hand side now it has actually changed over here. Okay, so we need to get rid of the sub menu, so go to customize sub menu and then just delete everything in here. You don't need any of that. Okay, next it says movies. Well, you know we don't actually want movies, so at this point you can pretty much add whatever you like. I believe on mine I had the catch-up TV at this section. I think I did. No, actually what I did have was the live TV. So I'll show you how to do that. So if you want the live TV here, you go to change shortcut, and then if you go to add-ons, program. So in the program here you'll have the iView TV guide. Okay, and then if you just want to call that one, let's see, like I said, I'm only showing you how to set up like Freeview channels, so we'll call this just live TV for now. Actually, live TV. again, if you want to set a thumbnail. So remember in the video before I said I use a USB, and it's very important that you do, especially for this part, because when you go to browse, if you want to change your picture, it only picks up either the sources that you put in or removable drives. So that's why you have to put all your pictures on a removable drive if you want to add your pictures now to like the thumbnails and stuff. So I'm going to go to the removable drive, Kodi, and then it was that live TV I've got here. I just literally, if you just have a look through Google Images just for something, you can put whatever you want. That's one I did. So it's always good to have a PNG as well. They are transparent. So PNG. So next, don't have a widget on this one, so I'm just going to remove all the widgets that are listed. It's not actually, let me go to that one, I'll just highlight this. Nope, it's having none of it. Just go back to the main menu, see if that's actually created a widget. It hasn't. Okay, great. So it's just a sub menu in there. So we'll go back to that, and we'll go customize sub menu. Sorry, you need to highlight on the left first. Live TV, customize sub menu, and then delete everything in here. And that's pretty much it for the live TV. So next one, this will be your catch-up TV. So we've got change shortcut, add-on, video add-on, and then when you're in here, you want to go to, we'll use the BBC iPlayer actually, and then just create a shortcut here. But we don't actually want that to be called out. What we want to call it is TV catch-up. And we will also change the thumbnail again. I went online, I found a few pictures. So for this one, I've currently got this one. So catch-up TV. So the widget for this one, you want to use two. Well, I used two. If you go to add-on, video add-on. So if you go to the iPlayer first, which go up, because I know it's the last one, you go to the iPlayer, and then you want to go to most popular, and then just use that widget. So that's the BBC iPlayer one sorted. Now, so you can call that whatever you like. We'll just call it BBC iPlayer. So BBC iPlayer. Okay, says that widget. Next widget, we want the iTV player. So if you go to add-ons, video add-ons, iTV player, and use this widget. So you can literally create as many widgets as you want, and I'll show you exactly what it does. I briefly showed you all at the beginning of the video, but since we've just added it, I'll explain it a bit more and show you exactly what it does. So we've got two widgets there. So if you go back and go back to the main menu, so if we go to the catch-up TV, as you can see in the top right hand corner, you've got the BBC iPlayer. You can press the up arrow to get to it as well. There you go, BBC iPlayer. If you press OK if you're using Android, or enter if you're on the keyboard, it will change it to the iTV player. So that is, if you have more than one widget, how you kind of get to the next one. Good feature to have on this skin. So we've got that all done. I did actually miss an add-on off, and that is the UK TV one. If you do want it, this is how you get it. You literally just go to settings, and then go to add-ons, and it's actually in the Xunity video add-ons, and it's right at the bottom. You've got your UK TV play. So just quickly install that one for the next part. So once you've done that, come out of it all, settings, skin settings, configure shortcuts, edit shortcuts. So we're going to change the weather one next. So change shortcut, add-ons, video add-ons, UK TV plate, and then create a shortcut there. Okay, so that's actually changed the picture over on the right hand side here to the UK TV play. So that's what we want as well. So it's fine, the label's fine, the thumbnail's fine, widget we need to change. So the first widget we want, if you've got add-ons, video add-ons, UK Play TV, you want to go to Dave first, and then use widget. Do a similar thing for the second one, add-ons, video add-ons, UK TV. And then we'll go down to really, and then click use as widget. So you can see what I'm doing here, I'm just kind of going down the list, adding all the widgets for that add-on. UK TV, yesterday, and the final one, add-on, video add-on, UK, and drama, use. Okay, press back, check to see if there's any sub-menus here to get rid of. No, there's not. Fantastic. And you can set your own background as well if you like. I don't think there's much point because you are using these widgets. So we'll just let that load up. As you can see, it's worked there. So again, at the top here, you can just change it all. As simple as that. Okay, great. So the last thing we're going to add here is the kids section. So I don't know too much about kids movies and kids cartoon like add-ons, so I'm just going to use a little few. They are good though. So if we, sorry, I'll come back out there. If you want to go to skin settings, and then go to edit menus. So we'll just get rid of the pictures add-on, and we just want to move that one up. When you're in here, go to change shortcut, add-ons, video add-ons, and we want to go to the Phoenix one this time. And when you're in the Phoenix, you want to go to, I believe it is the Cartoon Crazy, and then just create a shortcut here. After this cartoon one, I'll show you how to do the football as well, okay? So Cartoon Crazy. So in here, the widgets that we want to use, you can just leave a Cartoon Crazy as well. So the widgets, add-ons, video add-ons, Phoenix, Cartoon Crazy, Cartoon Crazy. Just let it get its list there, and then if you just want to go down to family for the kids, it should get the list, and you can just quickly add that widget. Shouldn't be too much longer. You can rearrange this all as well from the main menu bit. You press like up and down. I'll show you how to do that with the football because I'll probably move that one up a little bit more. There you go. So click use as widget, go back down, select widget, go to add-ons, video add-ons, and then we'll go to Phoenix. When you're in here, let's see, which one should we use this time? Yeah, if you want to go into the Rock Crusher one, so there you go, go to Rock Crusher, and then go down to Kids HD, and then use the widget there, okay? That's a very good one. So add-ons again, video add-ons. To be honest, we'll just leave it at 2 for now. You can have a look through Phoenix yourself and see all the different stuff, but these 2 are pretty good. So the last bit I'm going to show you now is how to get the football on. So if we just want to do videos, and we'll move it up first. So we'll move it just after the TV shows. We'll put the live sport right up there. So we will change the shortcut first, and we will use the Operation Robocop. So if you want to go to add-on, videos, and then Operation Robocop, and then create a shortcut to here. Okay, obviously we don't want the picture of the Robocop as the thumbnail. So again, you just go online. The picture I got is just of the Premier League, so that one. It was actually a JPEG, I believe. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's the only JPEG that I've used. So, so once you've got the thumbnail there, if we want to go to widgets, set a widget. So these are the add-ons that you want for the football. So if you go to add-on, video add-on, Operation Robocop, and then you want the PLP, Premier League Pass, that stands for. So if you click on that one and use this widget, there's the first one done. Second one, we will use, we'll go into Phoenix, and if you go down to this one, and then if you press the up arrow until you get a live TV, then live games, and then use this widget. Last one, if you've got add-ons, video add-ons, NGN soccer, and then if you do the match day, and then use this widget. So that's it. We'll just quickly check in case there's any kind of sub menus on this one. No, there's not. Great. So that is the build complete. So you can see there, one thing I did forget to do there, sorry about that, I left the title as Operation Robocop. So I'll quickly just change that and then we're pretty much done. Operation Robocop, go down, set label, just call this live sport. So there you go. There's, if you don't want this going across the bottom as well, I will show you how to get rid of that. So if you just go to settings, then go to settings again, go to appearance, and then if you want to go down and show RSS newsfeed, and literally just turn that off. So I don't know what episodes it's actually trying to find. So I'll show you this from scratch, okay? So I'm going to shut Kodi down and we're going to open it up, and this is what it looks like every time you're going to open it, okay? So we'll just open Kodi back up and you'll see what it looks like. So there you go. It doesn't take that long to actually grab the stream, some stream all sources. There you go, it's found straight away. TV shows, there we go. The live sport, you've got the Operation Robocop. You just change between the widgets to get to the different add-ons. I think Operation Robocop's going to be the best for the Premier League, if that's what you're trying to watch anyway. In the Phoenix and the live games, you get FA Cup and all that kind of stuff in here. But the Operation Robocop's only for the Premier League. I have to just stress that at the moment. The live TV, I will show you this one now. When you do first log in to the iView TV, it will ask you for a username. So the username is iViewTemp. I think I've actually got a space in there. Make sure there's no spaces. So iViewTemp. Press OK. The password is iViewTemp. Just check that. Yeah, iViewTemp. I don't think I put that in. So iViewTemp. And guess what the user ID is? iViewTemp. So press OK and it should allow you in. So this will take, I don't know, 10 seconds I would say, depending on your net speed. So there you go. So this is not going to be configured at all, okay? So I downloaded that FTV, or the film on TV, so you can get all the live Freeview channels. So if you want to, you have to configure it yourself. The way you do that, if you just click on any channel and then go to choose stream, in here you want to go to add-ons, and you got the film on TV. Now all you need to look for is the channel. So BBC One is the one we're looking for. Go across and then go to save. So once you've done that, hit enter. Opening BBC One.
Very comfortable, like Martin said, for Tottenham.
And of course, once the second goal went in, Jermaine, that was pretty much it, really, wasn't it?
And there you go. That's how you set up the live TV. You just need to do that with all the channels. I'm not going to show you how to do all that. Just to show you quickly, the TV catch-up is all working. If we just got the top link there, EastEnders, and just click on it, there you go. Straight away, EastEnders is on there. You've got ITV Player, UK TV, pretty much is the exact same. And then you've got your cartoons here that we looked at before, okay? So that's pretty much it. If you like the video, please subscribe. If you've got any questions, please put in the comments. And thank you very much.